Welcome to the screencast for Sansation. In this tutorial, we're going to discuss how to set up your navigation, how to use the new Sidebars feature, and how to use the custom page linking feature. So the new navigation, all the navigation gets handled by the what's called the menus feature, and that's located right here under Appearance and Menus. And over here you'll see that I already have my navigation created. I'll go ahead and delete this one, and we'll start from scratch. So I'm just going to delete this menu. So essentially your menu that you set up, it's going to handle your main navigation, so it'll handle all the drop downs, and then it'll also handle any of the sub pages. So anything that you put in here will automatically get added to your sub navigation, depending on which page template you choose. So to create your menu, you simply click on Appearance and Menus, and that'll bring you up to this screen. And you just want to enter a name for your menu, and go ahead and hit Create Menu. And now your menu is created. Now you just have to specify this menu that you just created. You just have to tell the theme that should be your main navigation. So over here in this drop down list, you'll see all the menus that you've created. Right now we just have one, so we'll go ahead and choose main nav and save. And now you're good to go. Now you're ready to start adding pages to the menu. So here's your pages listed right down here. Any pages that you have created on your site, they're all listed right here. So you just simply check off the ones that you want to add to the menu, or you can do select all, whatever you want to do. So we're just going to add a few. We'll just add a few just for this demo, just to kind of give you an idea of what's going on. Also, one other thing I want to mention too is you can add a custom link to your menu, so it doesn't have to be a page in your site. It can just be if you want to link to another page, or you want to link to an external site. You can do that very simply by using this custom links right here. So you just type in the full URL of where you want the link to go, and the name of the link, and then you just add to menu, and you'll see it'll get added. So I'm just going to add a few pages. Let's see, we got features, portfolio, blog, contact, and just add a couple pages. So after you select them, and then you just hit add to menu, and then you'll see this will add them to your menu. And now all these pages are on the top level item. So in order to create sub pages, you just simply drag and drop these items. So right now these are all on top level parent items. These would get displayed in the main nav up at the top. Now if you wanted some of them to be sub pages, you just simply drag them over, and then those would become sub pages of so it's a nice visual representation of your menu. So it's very easy to set up. You don't have to worry about setting your order or anything anymore. So we'll just go ahead and just organize these the way that we want. So we got home, portfolio, features, and contact. And now we'll just do some sub pages here. Alright, so now we're happy with the menu. Now we just want to hit Save Menu. And then we'll come back over here and refresh. And you'll see this is our new navigation that we just created. And now in terms of your sub navigation, it automatically gets pulled in. So right now we're on the features page, and you'll see that there's these three items right here. So we have features right here, and then these are our three sub items. So all you have to do is create your menu one time, and that's it. And then depending on what navigation you want to use, then you just simply choose that page template. So for instance, if I go to Pages, and we'll go to Overview, and that's currently this page right here. So you'll see right now we have the vertical subnav template selected, and that's it. That's all you would have to do to make your navigation show up. if you wanted to use the horizontal page template, you can just go ahead and choose horizontal subnav and update. And then if we refresh, you'll see that we have the horizontal subnav. So it's very easy to set up your menu. It's very straightforward. Now I'm going to go ahead and go over the sidebars feature. Sansation now has the ability to create an unlimited amount of sidebars. So to do so, first you click on Appearance and then Sidebars. And over here you'll see any new sidebars that you have created. So if you want to add a new one, you just hit Add New Sidebar, and you just give it a name, and just click OK. Okay, now this table up top just shows all the different sidebars that you've created, and you can remove them over here if you'd like. So now that the sidebar is created, if we go over here and click on Widgets, so it's Appearance Widgets, and if we scroll over to the right, you'll see this is down here, this demo. This is the new one that we just created. So anytime you create a new sidebar, it'll get added to the bottom of the list over here. So then it works just like a regular sidebar, so you just drag and drop your widgets in there, and then after you're pleased with what you have, then you just have to assign this sidebar to the page that you want. So you're going to click on Pages, and we'll go back to our overview page. So we're just going to edit the overview page. Now you just have to make sure that you're using a template that supports sidebars. So which is essentially the sidebar page template, or the contact page. Either one of those have sidebars. So you just want to make sure that you're using a template that supports sidebars. So we're going to go ahead and choose Sidebar Page Template, and then if we scroll down, you'll notice down here there's this new box. It says Sidebar, and it has a drop-down list, and this will list all the different sidebars that you have created on your site. So we're going to go ahead and select the one that we just created, and then we're going to go and update the page, and we'll come back and refresh, and you'll see now that we have our information being displayed over there. So it's a very powerful feature. It's very straightforward, very easy to use, and it's really very useful. And the last thing we're going to cover is just the custom page linking functionality. So you can change the link of the navigation item. So if you want, for instance, sometimes if you have a page that has subsections, you might want to link the top level item right up here to the first level item, and we can do that very easily. So you just go to the page that you want to edit. So in this case, we're going to we'll click on Pages, and we'll go to Features. And so if we want to have the features page, we'll have it linked to this page right here just for a demo purpose. So if this is the page that I want to link to, I'm just going to copy the full URL and come back here to my dashboard, and now I'm editing the features page, and I'm just going to scroll down, and you'll see down at the bottom there's this custom page linking box, and you just simply type in the full URL of where you want that link to go to, and click Update, and now we'll refresh the page. Now if I click on Features, it'll go to this page right here. So you'll see, click on Features, and it goes to the templates page instead. So you'll see it pulls in the custom URL. So if you can have any navigation item linked to another page very easily. I hope this information was helpful. Thanks a lot, and stay tuned.